Welcome to our journey into the world of electronics, where signals dance between highs and lows, constantly seeking stability. Today we delve into the realm of Schmitt trigger, a marvel of engineering that transforms erratic input into clean, decisive outputs. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of this ingenious device and discover how it shapes the very foundation of modern circuitry. Here's how the circuit of Schmitt trigger looks like. It is made of op-amp, but we have IC 40106, which is integrated circuit for Schmitt trigger and which has almost 6 Schmitt triggers in it. This is the datasheet for IC 40106, and this is the pinout diagram for the IC 40106. This is the circuit diagram. This is the working of the circuit diagram. In the circuit diagram, we can see that the output is switching as high and low due to the charging and discharging of the capacitor. Similarly, we can vary the frequency by using a potentiometer, or we can just replace the capacitor. Here we introduce the 1 μF capacitor instead of 10 μF capacitor, and we can see that the frequency of the square waveform has increased. Hence we can create so many projects using this IC. Similar to this, here we have created an alternating pattern generator. This IC has so many industrial as well as commercial applications. And this is it for today. Thank you for watching the video.